things to be doing if we are to build this nation than try to muck around with the Treaty of Waitangi. And you want to gut the treaty in front of all of these people? Hell no! Not only will we not stand for it, Shane Jones ain't going to stand for it. Sorry, David. You're on your own on this one, mate. The thing you need to know is that when it comes time to see where this is going to go into legislation, you and your shitty ass bill are going down the toilet.
Get off the kaikiri! We need a big karakia for the next 3 years!
E kara, David Seymour, hara mai, ki te whakarongo, ki ngā Pūkōrero, a o mātou tupuna. E pāna ki te hakaputanga, me te tiriti o Waitangi, e kōrero tia nei, ko te tino rangatiratanga, o ngā rangatira, o ngā hapu, i mokohia ki roto i te tiriti o Waitangi.
And it ain't hopeless now. But if you think separatism and division is going to take us to 2040, you're dreaming. And I'm telling you, let me tell you, sunshine, I used to go to the marae where they had a thing called tikanga and protocol and respect, and not you shouting.
Well, there's a certain protocol that when they were talking it was accepted, but when we were talking it's not.
And why did you say that they needed to get an education?
Because we all need to get an education on these matters. But I recall being here at the time when they were shouting, the treaties are full. You see what I mean? And all of a sudden like that, they switched to saying something else. Well, I've got a memory. I'm not going to let people get away with that.
It was also a partnership with community groups that had no ethnic background whatsoever. And we should do it in health. You know what? We should do it in every social service. We should have partnership. But the kind of partnership that we're going to have, is partnership for all. Tino ranga tiratanga for all. And you can sing, and yet you're not going to beat an idea by singing any more than you're going to beat an idea with a gun.
Oh, he pahu noi ho. Tarawa ke te waka ki te hua wā rātou kōrero. Engari mōhio ana mātou o te ao Māori, e takahia tunu ana rātou ki tō tātou tiriti, e nehihi ana kia whakaiti tō tātou reo. Te tāhai anō rā wā tātou whenua, me te takutau moana. Nō reira, wera te ahu o ngā ture. Nō reira, hako ngā kōrero ko pahu noi.
Ko te reo, te take.